Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to round images on Canva. So as you can see, these images look rounded enough. Also on the edges they look like they have rounded edges. So if you want to create the same style on your own photos, then it's fairly simple. So the first step is to add a frame. So go to your elements section, search for frames, and then look for the one that has a rounded edge. Click on it to add it to your project. Then you can scale it to whatever size you want to use. So once you've finished scaling it, go back to your photos and then search for a photo that you want to add. So you can use an uploaded photo, or you can use a photo that's coming straight from the Canva library. And then once you found the photo that you wish to use, just click on it and then add it onto your frame. And from here, when you click on an empty space, you should see your photo has been rounded off. So you can double click on the photo to adjust it. And so you can move it around. You can use a smart crop if you wish to use. And then when you're finished with all of that, click on done to save and apply the changes. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.